So, hey folks, I guess this is the 89 or 88 Donruss. I forgot, honestly. Collect all 26 VIP bonus cards, bonus baseball, puzzle cards, 3 puzzle cards, 15 baseball cards. Let's see. The reason a lot of cards don't have gum, I'm glad they got rid of the gum. Here's a puzzle card. I don't know some kind of player. Because Tom sued them, say we have the copyright. So this is a 88 Donruss. This is what they look like. I think one of the worst cards was 92 Flare. It's just one big yellow. Can't find good players in this deck. I don't really know none of these players. Got Red Sox. Oh, Don Robinson. He was my favorite Giant pitcher player. They called him the K-Man. He was a good hitter too. He was my favorite Giants. Darryl Strawberry, guy that could be a Hall of Famer. Got his career. Oh, Peter Vision. This rookie, almost rookie card. This guy was great. Mickey Hasher, catcher. He was a Giant. He had a problem because he kept like doing weird things. It took too long to throw to the ball. I think that was a guy or a different player. Ray rookie. No, I think it wasn't him. Different player. Cliff Floyd. Oh, the cat. Hall of Famer right there. I don't see any cards. Any players I really know in this pack. Anyway, so far, one Hall of Famer, a couple rookies. There's a second pack I'll be opening for you people. Opening a 88, about 89. Race puzzles. Not sure they work. Worth keeping. They're fine. I remember this guy. He died during the season. He was doing a satellite dish. He died like 92, 91 or something. Oh, Jack the Ripper. Decent player during his time. He got replaced by Will Clark. Glenn Davis, decent player. So, ay. Oh, Kerry Lynn. This guy used went to Wilcox High School in Santa Clara. I think he was born in was he born in San Jose and went to Wilcox High School. He was a good player. Great second third baseman. It's a dream. Good decent player, very him. Watching him with mostly bright memories with him. Let's see, did I miss anything in this pack? Green rookies. So let me know what you think. Like and subscribe. Put a comment down. What kind of cards you collect. Robert. Oh, BB. Oh, this guy became a manager. Won a World Series for the Arizona Diamondbacks, or D-backs, what I want to call them now. Call him BB. He didn't really manage that long. Or KC, some rookie card. Blue Jays rookie, Nelson Lennon rookie card. Ray rookie. Okay, I missed this one. Ray rookie. Didn't really see this guy's career. I don't remember him at all. So yeah, at least I got some good memories. So let me know what you like and subscribe. Then what you think. Thanks for watching.